Hello guys and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you 4 tips that really helped me building my map. I also noticed that 90% of you not subscribing my channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe because it's helping me and you, and let's start now with the tutorial. So the first step is that, for example, if you are downloading a 3D model from Sketchfab, I introduced you this website in my last tip video. So if you, for example, download this here and you're gonna drag it into Unreal Engine, you're gonna notice you're gonna have every part of this bed separately. So you're gonna have the bed, I don't know what this should be, but yeah, so you got everything separately. But how can I make now the bed out of it? To do this, we're gonna do a simple way to do it, and this is just by creating an actor. So you're gonna press right click, go to build class. And here we're gonna just create a simple actor, and we're gonna name this here hospital bed, or you can just name it whatever you want. Then open it. In here we're not doing any blueprint or something. We're just gonna go to contour draw. We're gonna select them. Just gonna drag them into here. And now we got a bed. So of course it's no, I don't know why it's like this rotated. So we're gonna just rotate this. And now if you press compile and save, and we're gonna drag it into our level, we got now our bed. So this is what it was before, and now we got this. So that's basically how you do this. For example, this is now a really simple example. For example, I downloaded like a room, and there were like every single part. There were like 400 parts of this building, and I have to create an actor for this. So if this happens to you, just use this method to fix this. The next method I'm gonna show you is a really good way to build your map. For example, you got a plane, and you want the plane to be perfectly at the ground. So it's really perfect. It's perfectly at the ground. To do this, there is something on your keyboard which is called the end key. If you got the 100% keyboard, it's gonna be at the top right of your keyboard, and it's just called end key. And now if you press the end key, so you select the cube and press end, you're gonna see it's perfect at the bottom, so it's perfect at the ground. And for example, if we want to do this here with this example on this wall here, if we're gonna press the end key, it's perfectly at this wall here. So for example, if you want to make an roof, so you want, for example, just gonna use a plane for it. So you want to make a plane, so a roof for your building, for example, and you don't know how to place it perfectly, you see? And then you're just gonna press, you're just gonna do it, gonna move it at the perfect position, press the end key, and then it's perfect at the building. So you see, wait, I have to rotate it so you can see better. So you see, there is no space between it. It's perfect at the ground, and that really helped me building maps. For example, this is now a really simple example, but it really can help you. The next thing I want to show you is the filter of your contour draw. If you notice, here is a symbol which called open the add filter menu to add or manage filters. And now if you click on it, you're gonna see here you got everything. You got your 3D models, so your skeleton meshes, you got your texture, your levels, your blueprint classes. And for example, if you got a really big project, for example, I'm doing a horror game, and I got like 3 levels or 4 levels, and if I, for example, don't know, I got like many folders, and I don't know in which folder my map is. So if I then just press on the level and go on to the all, it's gonna show it's going to show you all levels you have in all the folders here. And that's basically how you can find easy your things you're searching. For example, your remote classes. I don't know where my third person character is or where my monster is, so I have to search like everything to find it. And if you do on the all, you can just find all here, then you can just type in here something and then you're gonna find it instantly. So yeah, now we come to the last problem, the last tip. If you, for example, to turn this off, you're just gonna go again here and just untick it. For example, if you have an texture and you want to use it on this here, okay? And if you drag it onto here, you're gonna notice that the texture is just too big for this plane here. And to fix it, that it's way smaller and has the right size, we're gonna just open the material. If you don't have one, just create one, or just go here on the texture, so the picture, press right click and then create a material. In here we're gonna press right click and get a texture coordinate. Then we're gonna connect it with the base color, and now we're gonna at first compile and save. Oh, we got an error here, so we can just delete this. Okay, so now here you can see your material now, and if you go here you can see the modes, so different modes, how your texture looks like. Now if you click on the texture coordinate and we're gonna maybe change the numbers here, you're gonna notice how the texture is changing. You see, for example, if we do 10 and 5, you can't even see it because it's so small. And for example, if you do 0.3 and 1, it's now more stretched. And that's basically how you can fix your textures to get the right size. I think for our example is maybe, yeah, this could be good, I don't know, let's see how it looks like. Okay, that's not good, but yeah, overall this plane is too big, so yeah. But in the most cases, if you do want to do it on a wall, so in most cases it happens on a wall, if you want to drag a texture to a wall and then the texture is too big, you can just implement this and then just try everything out to find the right size of the texture. So for example, this would be a really good size, I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good size for a floor, for example. So yeah, this is basically how you can fix your textures. So that's it for the tutorial. I think these are like the most things that help me building maps. So I'm working right now on some games, and if I'm working on some games and building the maps, these tips really help me really much to save time and also build a really good map. Yeah, for example, then just maybe to fix this problem here where you got like the 3 different things of one bed, and you don't know how to fix it, and then you try, like, I don't know, maybe to do it like like you do it like this, and then you maybe just try to put this here like maybe like this, and you hope it looks good or it looks right, for example like this, and yeah, that's really not a good way and not also gonna look good. So yeah, and also because of the textures, that's such a common mistake, or a problem, not a mistake really, it's a small problem what really happen often. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.